Very good morning, all the students of fourth standard. We are learning here the 13th lessons we have learned, and from the 13th lesson, if you see, lesson we have completed, but the exercise question answers are remain of the 13th lessons. Exercise question answers are remain from the 13th lessons. So today I will tell these exercise question answers. So we have learned that Shivaji Maharaj, he gives a slip to the Mughal emperor, or Shivaji gives slips to the Mughal emperor. This is our lesson, and this lesson we have completed page number 52. From the page number 52, exercise question answers are there. So that exercise question answers we see today. We will see. First one question is here, fill in the blanks. What is the first question here? Fill in the blanks. If you have textbook, then you can see in your textbook the first questions is the fill in the blanks is there. So here options are also here for the fill in the blanks. 2-3 options are there. From the 2-3 options, which one is the right, which one is the correct from that three, from the following that we have to choose, and by choosing the correct options we have to write their answers. So will turn toward the first questions from the fill in the blanks of the 13th lessons. Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. It was Emperor Aurangzeb's birthday. So it was Emperor Aurangzeb's 15th birthday. What is the answer here? 15th is our answer. So if you have textbook, then you underline to this, and if you not have textbook, then I will show you here the questions there. You can see Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. It was Emperor Aurangzeb's 15th birthday. First option is there, 15th, F-I-F-T-I-E-T-H, 15th birthday. So 15th is our answers. So these answers we have to be underlined as our first fill in the blanks answer. From the first fill in the blank questions, this is our answer there. Next question. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at dash. What is here? So Shivaji Maharaj, he left young Sambhaji Raje. Second one, fill in the blanks. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at dash. Behind in a safe place at Mathura. What is our answer? Mathura is our answer. This is our answer. Mathura. Second number options there. Mathura. M-A-T-H-U-R-A. Mathura is the answer of the second fill in the blanks. So one more time I will revise it. You can see. Question number first, fill in the blanks. Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. It was Emperor Aurangzeb's 15th birthday. This is our first questions. 15th is underlined word. This is our answers. Next question is there. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura. Mathura is our next question answers. Mathura is the answer of the next questions. So in this way we have completed here fill in the blanks of the 13th lessons. Now next one questions, write the answer in one sentence. Write the answer in one sentence. In that first one questions, to whom did Shivaji hand over the administration of Swaraj before leaving for Agra? To whom did Shivaji hand over the administration of Swaraj before leaving for Agra? This is our question. Now the answers I will show you here. See here, second line, very second line of this lessons from the before. Here the word from before. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessing. So this is our answer. What is our questions? To whom did Mr. Shivaji Maharaj hand over the administration of the Swaraj before leaving for Agra? This is our question. So the answers we can write here. Before leaving for Agra, one more time I'll revise it. I'm repeating. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration. Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai. To his mother Jijabai and took her blessing. Full stop. So this is our answers. The word before leaving, second lines from these lessons, that before leaving, this is word from there up to the blessing. This is our answer. The first questions: to whom did Shivaji Maharaj handed over the administration of the Swaraj before leaving for the Agra? So we can write the answers. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessing. This is our answers. Okay, now we will see the next questions. Next question is here: who were the only persons left with the Shivaji in Agra? What is our second questions? Who were the only persons left with the Shivaji in Agra? This is our second questions from the right answers in one sentence. Who were left with the Shivaji before leave means who were the only persons left with Shivaji in Agra? This is our question. Second question, B1. Who were the only persons left with the Shivaji in Agra? So answer of these questions here is here. The answer is here. I will zoom here. I think you can see. 1 minute. The only, I am doing too much zoom, you can see properly. The only persons left with him means Shivaji. The only persons left with him now were Sambhaji Raje and the two servants Hiroji Farzan and Madari Mehtar. This is our answers. So who were the only persons left with Shivaji in Agra? This is our question. So we can write the answers here. The only persons left with him now were Sambhaji Raje and the two servants Hiroji Farzan and Madari Mehtar. These two servants were left with Shivaji Maharaj in Agra. So who were the only persons left with Sambhaji, means with Shivaji in Agra? So we can write the answer here. There were the only persons left with Shivaji, that is Shivaji now, were Sambhaji Raje and the two servants or the two attendants, that is means two servants Hiroji Farzan and Madari Mehtar. So these were the two servants were left with the Shivaji in Agra. This is our answers. You can see here the only persons from there to the end of the paragraph. It is on the page number 51. Page number 51 is there. On this, the only persons from there to the Madari Mehtar. Up to here is the answers. Okay. Now, these questions answers we have to write. You have to by heart. Write in notebooks at least minimum 2-3 times, means you can understand, you can by heart. So remaining question answers, what are the remaining question answers? So what are the remaining question answers are there of these lessons? That remaining question answers we'll see in tomorrow's video. When you will make the tomorrow's video, at that time I will send the next question answers there. Okay. And along with that I will tell some syllabus, or I will send message, I will send the name of some of the lessons from our 4th standards that we have to be prepared. Okay, that is syllabus of your unit test, that name I will send. Okay, thank you very much, bye bye.